Howdy folks from a nice and cool South Florida. We haven't seen the sun in I think all week, and yesterday the high was 55 and today was just a couple of degrees above that. But enough of the weather BS. Let me show you some more recent finds here. I hope I don't repeat myself with the previous videos. There's a Hot Wheels treasure hunts Buick Riviera. Nicely carded, and I don't know. It's pretty. It might be a keeper for the collection. Put it in the box for now. Next one I might have showed you before. This Chevrolet K5 Blazer. I believe it's a Matchbox. No, it's mice though. This will, I think it'll look good with a different set of tires, maybe something a little bit bulkier, like something out of this one. Not sure. So, but it's a keeper. I think I showed you the Mini Cooper already. Very nice shape. It's a keeper. Probably just the way it is. Put it on display. Show you another. I think we saw this in the last video, but I wanted to show it more in depth. This is a slammed Chevrolet. Nice. I like green cars. It's nice. I want to do a wheel swap, but it's a keeper. Put it in the collection. Check this out. Old UPS truck. I forgot who made them. Maybe Goshen or something. You don't see them around anymore. What can Brown do for you? All right. So now we're gonna see some pretty cars. This is a short card. Pontiac Firebird, green. And I got not one, but I got two. I don't know they shipped it by mistake, but I remember buying the two. So one is for the collection and a wheel swap, and the other one is for eBay, and try to recover some of these funds. Don't worry, this video is not going to go too long. Check this out, Hot Wheels Chevrolet Shevette. This is for the collection. Wheel swap for sure. My first new car was an '83 Chevette. Little red Chevette. Next one is Hot Wheels Treasure Hunt Cadillac V16. It's a pretty car. I'm gonna put this on eBay and see if I can, recover some of these funds. I'm pretty sure this won't sell. There's another one going to eBay, Datsun 510. I got one like this, loose. This is carded. People like these things. I don't really care for them, so eBay it is. Now this is unique. This is a keeper. Splatter Paint Series. Look what they did to this poor Camaro 328 with different wheels, of course. Look at this poor thing. One more and the last one for today. Muscle Mania 69 Camaro. Orange and white. Pretty car. Pretty wheels. Got to decide whether to sell it or not, but it's going to go in storage for now. So that is it. Let's put this pretty Chevy back here. And it is cold all over the nation, I hear. And it's got to be cold all over the nation for it to be. It's darn cold here in the southern tip of South Florida. And this is Transit Joe, T-Joe. Hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more to come. Y'all take care. Stay warm now. Bye-bye.